Hello gamers, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get inside of Windwail Cave. I'll just show you where I am really quickly on the map here. So we've got the town of Herdnand Castle just here, and then we come all the way down to the southeast here, a very long way away, right up until the coastline here. So I'm east of the Steel Mountains just here and southwest of Bone Spirit Cape. There's a very large castle behind me, and here is Windwail Cave. So there's the castle there. I know there's a big boss in there and a couple of quests eventually at the end game. But basically when you come to this waterfall, all you want to do here, basically you've got two waterfalls either side. And what you want to do, instead of jumping off and going all the way down to the end, you want to aim for this ledge over here. Boom. As we come down here, you're going to see there's this little statue just here, which is what you want to be aiming for, this little pile of rocks just here. And then what you want to do after that is go ahead and equip your sword, come up to the water, put yourself into the stab position, shoot through the water to burst through it, and then you're going to come into this cave, and at the back of the cave just here is where you're going to find the chest. And then we can go ahead and open the chest, and there we have it. We've just secured bedroom chain cloak. So that is how you get inside of Windwail Cave. I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please do drop it a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.